Here's a simple way to enable dark mode on Soundcloud. Start by clicking the extensions icon, then select Manage Extension. You can also click the three dots, go to Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. Once you're there, head to the Chrome Web Store and search for Dark Reader. Add it to Chrome. Now, go to the extension, click Dark Reader, and adjust the filter to your liking. Return to SoundCloud. And there you go. SoundCloud in dark mode ready to go. If that helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tips.